Hi there, students. Seclude, to seclude as a verb. Secluded as an adjective. And then, secludedly as well as an adverb. And you could have the noun seclusion. Okay, so to seclude means to shut off, to keep apart from company or society, like to cloister. Secluded. We use this as an adjective meaning away from people, away from roads, hidden, isolated and remote. So the house is very secluded. It's in a secluded valley. Yeah, it's in a place where people can't see it. Yeah, it's quiet, it's private, there are no roads, no buildings, nothing near it. A secluded house in the forest. Yeah, it's apart. It's where you've got a great deal of privacy. Okay. The hermit was secluded from the rest of society. He lived in seclusion. He lived in a secluded cave on top of a mountain top. Okay, so to seclude, to separate off, to keep away from society. And I think this is more a physical action. You have a secluded child. They have secluded their child. But he lives in seclusion, separated from society, but also a place that people don't go. Yeah, I was looking for a secluded spot to have a picnic with my girlfriend, screened from view so that it's not open to for everybody to see it. We found a secluded beach where we could sunbathe naked. Yeah, there was nobody about, and there were no houses or things near. So hidden, screened, secret. Yeah, or secluded from society, insular, isolated, lonesome. Maybe a recluse, reclusive. Okay, so what's the most secluded place that you know? I'm sure you can find a very interesting secluded place. Cloistered, hidden, isolated, sheltered from society. Okay, so we want to seclude him from the realities of life. To separate him away from them. Like that, he will not be affected by it. Yeah, so would you like to live in a secluded place? Okay, so let's see, to seclude, a regular verb. They secluded the child. They have secluded the child all his life. Yeah, the monks are secluded. They live in seclusion, so it's a regular verb. What about formality? I think I'd probably give it seclusion a 6 in formality. It sounds ever so slightly formal, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation, although you might want to say isolated, separated, or something like that. Okay, now we need to look at the origin. Well, it comes from Latin again, from the verb secludo, meaning to separate off, to keep separate. Yeah, so there you go. Secluded, shut off, kept apart. Yeah, shut away from. Secluded, something that's not overlooked, that's not open to view, that's private, that's isolated. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.